What did I just say about I don't like Papa?
I would know what he said.
It's always the last thing huge. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Okay, yeah. That's me singing because I got a knock on my door, which more than likely means special delivery. Because I don't like pop-ups. I don't want people just showing up at my crib unannounced. So let's see what it is. Bam, look at that. Hopefully that is Mindy's new Recone. More than likely it is. And this is a little something else for Mindy's car too. What did I just say about I don't like pop-ups?
I was literally just waiting on the other side of your garage in the cut. And then I was waiting too long in the cut.
Well, that's your Recone and the other thing for your car.
Freezing.
So grab it and let's put it on top of the washer and open it.
Okay. Oh, I just locked the door.
Yeah, because the burglars and robbers are gonna get us, right?
Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. It's really not that cold, just my legs are cold. This from here to here, freezing. Ugh.
Stupid.
I know.
Alright. Open up the...
Oh, you thought? What did you You thought you was safe? You're not.
That's a hate crime because I'm black. Yeah, y'all saw it. Y'all saw it, right?
Oh my god.
Hopefully this is the right Recone.
Lord pray. I'm kidding. I'm too scared to take it out the package.
Let's all go open it up. Okay, got the Recone, got the dust cap. Now hopefully this is D1, like we needed from the beginning. And
I don't know what he said. He said so many wires, didn't he say?
yeah, we're right here. So this,
It's like a bouquet of flowers.
a bouquet or a bouquet?
I don't know, like like ready. Oh,
You're gonna toss it.
like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what they do.
All the bass heads are like, I want it.
Right.
All right, it's the Recone. That's a subwoofer right there. But
Let me recover it so it don't get dusty, right?
I'll recover the Recone with the dust cap. I got jokes, man. Yeah, they're not funny though. I'm sorry. All right.
Now what?
So put this down. This one.
You got that Fantelli. Telli.
No, we ain't getting sponsored by them.
How do you say that? How do you say that? And what's this?
All right. So with this stuff, it's two sets of lights. One is slightly brighter than the other, but they're all relative, and it's because with Mindy's fog lights, one of them was slightly dimmer and lower than the other. So for that, Recone came in, new fog lights came in, but we're gonna have to wait till nighttime. Pretty much gonna do like one light of one, the other light of the other package, and just see which one looks better, because you want it bright, but you don't want it too stupid. It's gonna be nighttime, she'll have to pull back up and let us know which one she likes. What was that? What was that dance?
Like a pull up.
So now we got the Recone. We got to go see Josh. And what ended up happening was with my subwoofers, Josh was like, bring yours, because mine both play, but I think I hurt this one. So we're going to take both of them out and then have Josh go through it just to run a meter, just to check up on it and see what's up. Possibly recone those. You know what I mean? So I got to get to work and take out my subs. What'd you say?
I said, do you even try this thing?
Here we go. All right, so what we're doing, we're gonna knock out Mindy's fog lights because one was getting dim and messing up, not working. When Mindy rolls, she rolls with her normal headlights and her fog lights on all the time, so you can't have it look like your car's winking at you. You gotta have everything even. So this one right here is like, what's it say, 6500K, which is like a cool white, very bright. And this one is like a 6000 to 6500. I don't know, but we're gonna put one bulb and one fog light and another bulb and another one, and then back up and look at the difference and see which one we like or don't like. But I kind of want to see what this looks like out the box. I was only expecting 2. Your boy got 4. Which means your boy has 6. All right, they must have gave me some for like the headlights and the fog lights. You do not want to touch any of these with your fingers because the oils of your fingers can mess it up. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's crazy because these little tiny chips right here lights up everything. Those little chips are hella powerful. So let's put it in.
This is easy.
Went through, switched out all the fog lights. These I'm gonna just hold for later. Those are the extras. And these, what was different about them was the housing. So one is fog lights, and then the other one was headlights. So, I mean, since I'm already here, since we're already doing this, the fog lights look nice, white, crisp, on point. So it's like, since I got these, even though the headlights weren't a problem, I might as well switch out the headlights to 2 pairs that are brand new and then keep the current pair as extras just in case something goes out or something bad happens. So now I'll have a set of headlights that are extras and a set of fog lights that are extra. I don't know, I might as well knock that out right now. We're here, so let's get it. Hey, I swear, dude, it's always the last thing, last screw, last part that always gives you the hardest time. Pretty much with the lights, you gotta push it in and turn it, you know what I mean? So they lock in. For whatever reason, these new light bulbs, you know what I mean? The housing and everything was cool, everything fit, but it just wouldn't turn and lock in. So I got one done. Actually, I got them both done, but only one's locked in. This is what it looks like. Turn on the lights. I think it looks cool. And if you notice, obviously you see how these are like the burgundy, purple. Same thing here. Also same thing there. So we're cool right now. And then I'm gonna have to get Mindy to come through, get her little hands in this, because I got huge hands. You know what I mean? So she can put her hands in that little space, lock it in, we'll be good to go. But, as always, man, if you haven't done so yet, please, I look scared, I look like a boogeyman. Like, hey, like and subscribe. Do it. Do it. I appreciate y'all checking out the video, supporting me, and see what I have going on. Obviously, you see that I lost daylight. So, tomorrow, gonna have to not only get Mindy's subwoofer to Josh to recone, but also the subwoofers in here. Get those things out. Like I said, this Mindy's car is crazy. It's turned into like a 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. That's a real word. 11 part series. As for this one, tonight we're done. Let's get back on it tomorrow and be productive. Till next time, y'all. If you haven't done so yet, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. And once again, please, please, please like, subscribe, and come on this journey with me. Till next time, y'all. Stay blessed.